Today, we're dividing into the basics of logic, a fundamental part of math that helps us to understand and analyze statements that can either be true or false. We're going to explore what proposition, truth values, and compound propositions are, with examples to make everything clear. Let's start with the simple question. What is a proposition? A proposition is a statement that can either be true or false. It's not a question, a command, or an opinion. It's just a straightforward statement that has a clear truth values. For example, consider the statement, the sky is blue. This is a proposition because it's either true or false, depending on the weather. On a sunny day, we would say this proposition is true, but if the sky is cloudy or at night, the statement will be false. Next, what is truth value? A truth value simply tells us if a statement, also called a proposition, is true or false. In other words, when we evaluate a statement, we determine whether it accurately describes a fact or reality. Let's look at some examples. The statement is the sky is blue. The truth value, if it's a sunny day, the truth value here is true.
Adding 1 to an odd numbers makes it even. It's a proposition because it is a statement that can be verified as true or false. It is true because adding 1 to an odd number always results in an even number. Multiplying two positive numbers always gives a positive numbers. It's a proposition because it is a statement that can be verified as true or false. It is true because multiplying two positive numbers always yields us a positive product. Squaring any number gives a result that never negative. Yes, it is a proposition because it is a statement that can be verified as true or false. Is it true because squaring any real number, positive, negative, or zero, result in a non-negative number? What is value of xxx is not a proposition. It is a question, so it doesn't assert anything that can be true or false. Questions cannot be evaluated as true or false, which is why isn't a proposition. Solve x plus 5 equals 10 is not a proposition. This is an extraction rather than a statement that can be verified as true or false. It is a command, and commands are not proposition as they don't have a truth value. The largest number is 100. It is a proposition because it is a statement that can be verified as true or false. Is it a false because there is no largest number in mathematics, as number extend infinitely, so this statement is false.
What is a compound proposition? A compound proposition is just a statement formed by combining two or more simple statements using logical connectives. So, these connectives help us build more complex ideas by linking statements together. So, let's go over the 5 main logical connectives, and they're simple, and I'm giving an example. So, the first one is not. Not symbolized as negates or negations. So, this simply negates a statement, meaning it turns true into false and vice versa. If P is raining, and then is P with negates or negations means it is not raining. The second one is and. This symbolizes as conjunction. So, this connective is true only if both statements are true. Or, this symbolizes as disjunction, and this is true if at least one of the statement is true.
I'm going to explain the conditional statement and the biconditional statement. Conditional statement can be written in an if-then form. This is the symbol for conditional statement. It goes to the right side. This one is P, then Q, or P implies the Q. For example, we have if the number is even, then it can be divisible by 2. This part is the hypothesis, and this part is the conclusion. For biconditional statement, this is the sign where we can read this as P. If and only if Q, meaning it can be true both sides. For example, if line A is parallel to line B, then line B is parallel to line A. If we convert it or read it in the biconditional statement, it should be line A is parallel to line B if and only if line B is parallel to line A. That's it.
Now that we know what a proposition is, let's look at the difference between simple proposition and a compound proposition. A simple proposition is a single statement. For example, it is raining. This statement has one idea and one truth value, so it is a simple proposition. And a compound proposition is when we combine two or more simple propositions into a single statement. We use words like and, or, and not to link this example proposition.
猫金鱼猫小鸭鸭，水温刚刚好，泼泼水来做泡泡，今天真是美妙，大声唱歌扭扭腰，我爱洗洗。